Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Ooh, it is cold, but yeah, that's it. The show season is officially over, and right now we took the truck. We're gonna go hook up the trailer real quick. I got the 24 footer behind me, and yeah, we're gonna go take the C-10 out to Justin's shop. It's literally been sitting in this trailer for a little over a month now, and then on the way back we're gonna jam out to John's house. I've got two 60 by 40 foot windows, or 60 by 40 inch windows sitting in the back of this truck right now. So we're gonna go get those installed on the trailer itself. So I'll show you guys kind of what's going on with the truck right now. If the battery is dead on it, or there's an electrical issue or something. So it's just been sitting in my trailer since like October pretty much. So we're gonna go drop it off for a couple months to get hopefully fixed and finally worked on. All right, well, it's still in here at least. That's a good sign. Wow, look at the dust on this thing. Oh man, I haven't touched this truck in probably 6 weeks or so. It's covered in dirt. I took it to a car show, and then after the car show was over, I just kind of dumped it in this trailer, and it's been sitting here for a while. But she'll get a bath, I guess, but she needs to get some work done on her. So she's all secured. We're good to go on this trailer. And then actually what we're gonna end up doing is on this wall right here, we're gonna cut two massive holes in it, put my vendor windows in it, and then that way for 2025, instead of this whole like tent setup that we've been doing with the 10 by 10 tent and 3 tables and like 8,000 grid walls and taking me 2 hours to set up each time, we're gonna roll in style next year. So we're gonna haul a truck in here, we're gonna camp in here. I got some AC, I got my lighting, I got a little cotton stuff in here, and then we're also gonna vend right there out of these windows that we're gonna put in. So after I get the truck out of here, I get the windows installed, then we're gonna come through here, we're gonna paint this whole trailer black, get it all nice, and then on the back wall right here, I'm gonna hang hooks, and we're gonna put grid walls back there, so that way when I pop up to shows, I can just put up grid walls real quick, hang all the merch, flip the windows open, and we're good to go, and we can start vending. So that'll save me tons of time at shows. I'll be able to just close up shop. I'll be out of the elements, whether it's heat or cold or rain or whatever. I'm not gonna be sitting under a tent anymore and like scrambling when the rain starts coming or anything. It won't take me 2 hours to set up at each show and 2 hours to tear down everything. So we're gonna be in and out, but let's go hit the road and get this truck to Justin. I'm sure he misses it. Yeah, right. All right, pit stop number 1, Mickey D's Breakfast of Champions. So we've only been on the road for about an hour so far, but hungry, had to stop and get some food real quick. So we're gonna eat and get back on the road, keep going. Oh, long day, but we've officially made it to stop number 1. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that took, yeah, about 7.5 hours or so. Traffic, drove slow, hauling the trailer, stopped and got some food. But yeah, we're 2 minutes from Justin's house right now, so hopefully this goes quick. We're gonna go drop the C-10 off at his shop. Like I said, the truck doesn't start right now, and it's in my trailer, so it's probably gonna take me, him, and his dad to get this thing out of my trailer, get it down his driveway and into the garage. So this will be fun, but hopefully it goes quick, because I got John waiting on me over at his house about 45 minutes away. We're gonna go drop my trailer off over there. So let's go pull into Justin's house real quick and get this paperweight unloaded out of the trailer.
The destination is on your right.
All right, so we had kind of a rough day. I filmed a whole bunch of stuff after we left Justin's shop and went over to John's shop to go drop off the trailer and all that fun stuff, but for some reason there's no audio on any of it, so I lost all of it. And my voice is gone too, but that was 16 hours of driving yesterday. It was rough. I'm hurting today, but check it out. We do have the truck back home in the driveway. That's my Tahoe, if you guys have never seen that one, but that's my grocery getter right there. But yep, truck is back in the driveway. No trailer. It's at John's house. It's dropped off. He's cutting vendor windows in it. Super stoked for all that. And yeah, the C-10, we're not going to pick that up until April, maybe like for mini nats or something like that. So we'll see what happens with that, but a lot of cool little stuff is getting put on there. But yeah, I wish I had more content for you guys. I had like a whole road trip vlog the whole way home, everything. 16 hours of me by myself in a truck just getting it on the highway. So that's all gone. I don't even know why. Like, I have the video of it, but there's no audio. I've never had that happen before. But I appreciate you guys watching. I am going to put another video out here soon about, I'm not wearing it right now, but my apparel brand. We just got a huge shipment in, tons of merch, all the new designs and stuff like that. Make sure you guys go check out all my merch for Rollin' Reckless. I'll put the link down in the comments below. We're dropping tons of mini truck and C-truck designs and stuff. So I appreciate all you guys' support on that as we kick off and get ready for 2025. As soon as I go pick up the trailer in like a week or two, I'll show you guys what we did to it. I'm gonna have to go get it wrapped and then get some logos and stuff put on it. But we're doing tons of stuff to the inside and to the exterior of it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.